Hello everyone, good day, especially to you sir. I am Gapo Jan Ayn Kit from BS Cream 3C, and right now I am going to recite the 10 commandments as a driver, as a self-traveler, and as self-clearance. So let us start first the 10 commandments as a driver. 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the views is unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at schools, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. 3. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and safe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrian. So let's proceed to self-traveler. 1. Thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. 5. Thou shalt buckle up thy kids. 6. Thou shalt not drive on thy bride. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. And the last one is self-clearance. 1. Keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parkings. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule. Lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy drivers, first come first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders.